Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be showing you how to set up a RAT. It's remote administration tools, if I am correct. Anyways, what this does is pretty much gives you the power to control other people's computers. I probably will set it up on my own computer just to show you how everything's done. I'll go through the installation process with you. So yeah. Alright. You're gonna get a MediaFire link. It'll say DC 5.3 Shadow Legion. I gotta put that to the side because that's actually the file I'm gonna upload. If you want me to, I can just extract it, show you, and then you'll get this folder. If you're gonna extract it, you extract to DC, whatever. And then, okay, so you get this folder. You're gonna open it up again. I'm probably gonna actually drag that out, and then yes. Okay. So anyways, you get all these files, then you want to click on DarkComet, so do run as administrator, administration. So now the first step's done, and I'm gonna close out of that. Alright, anyways, what you want to do is go to canyouseme.org. Alright. Sorry, I almost forgot. I thought I was forgetting something, but I'm not. Anyways, you want to find a port that is open for you. Currently I'm on a wireless extender, so everything is going to be closed for me. I use port 9005 though, and that always works for me. If you don't, you can either port forward, just look up a tutorial on YouTube for that, and then port, whatever port works, but I would recommend a 4-digit code, and that has to be the port because you're going to be using that later. Anyways, if it is port forwarded, it'll be like success, blah blah blah. We can see it. Mine says connection timed out, but if it says connection refused, that port will work. Just so you know. Anyways, okay, what you want to do is port. I typed in 9005, so I'm going to do add port to listen. I'm going to type in 9005. I'm going to click listen. Alright, so it's listening to that port currently. And this is where all your people will show up, so you don't have to mess with onConnect or user logs. After you get that done, what you want to do is to set up the file, is do clients, do server module and do full editor expert. Alright, so here's what you want to do. Do random mutex. This is so the file doesn't get ran twice, which is really good. That does a firewall bypass. This is an older RAT, so you can just so this is it's the actual project is shut down, but you can still use it. And so some of the stuff is outdated, but most of everything works. The ports, use the port you set up that you're listening to, like right here. 9005. I'm gonna go back into that though, because I was kind of stupid for closing it. Okay, 9005. Alright, now what you want to do is go to a DNS, which is noip.org or .com. So I'm gonna have all these links in the description. You can just easily get to. You want to make an account here because this will give you your IP/DNS. It's your DNS. Anyways, when you get to a thing like here, you're probably going to want to add a host, and then just whatever you want. None of this matters, and then do add host. I'll show you. I have mine manage host. Mine's kingraider. .noip biz. Yeah. Anyways, so what you're going to want to do is your this is your DNS, or yeah, and then you just copy it and you put it right here in your IP/DNS, and then you're going to add it. Okay, so what's going to happen is it's going to send it to this, and so that means all the users will show up on that port in DNS. So anyways, module startup, you can have it. This is for if you want to start it up with your their computer. Install message, it's just here this is when they click on it, what's the box going to say? You don't need it. He's like, error, you suck. Anyways, module shield. You can turn on all of this if you want to. You can just play around with it. These are settings like disable Windows user account control and firewall, registry, and all that good stuff. Okay, keylogger. This has a keylogger built in, but if you want it to send it to your Hotmail, like your Gmail, make a Gmail, and then you can just look up the hosting for that, and then your Gmail username, like your email, and the password to that Gmail, and the port is, I think, look up for the FTP host for Gmail, the port for that. It should be simple. You don't need to mess with host files or add plugins. File binder, if you want it to make it look legit and add it, like, say if someone were to click on the exe and I wanted to play this song with it, that song would also open up. So it looks like they just didn't get ratted. Anyways, icon, you can choose an icon. That's the preset icon. I'll probably show you guys how to make your own icon, like not make them, but copy them from like Audacity. If I wanted that icon, I'll show you how to grab it. Anyways, subfinalization. Anyway, so what we want to do now is you can either compress it, but I'm going to build this stub, and then I'm going to pick a name out for it, and you see it is creating it. Alright, I think, yes, it is done. Nothing more to be done. Anyways, so now what you want to do is give out this file. So I'd archive it so people can detect it, and right when they click on it, it would open up in here. As said, I don't know if I'll be able to. I'm gonna switch over really quickly, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, and we're back. I switched over internet. And you see they're appearing. Like, what I could do right now is that I can make them visit a website, upload a program. I could do open web page, so like if you wanted them to view, say, your YouTube video, you could mass download, ping server, shell, execute, DDoS. DDoS is cool. You can see these are all the people I sent them to. I have them checked out. These are all a wide variety of computers to make sure it worked on all of them. You can look at their desktop if I wanted to. You can also look at their graphics card. Keep it on default monitor. Anyways, you can look at their desktop and you can actually control it. If you know anything called Team Viewer, it's kind of like that, but they have no control over it. You can look at their webcams. You can grab sound capture. See, Demon Event. Holy shit! Alright, sorry, it's a game I'm playing. This guy's actually pretty high of a Demon Avenger. Anyways, that's what he's doing right now. There's just a wide variety. You'd actually have to go through all of it to find out what you really wanted to do. But anyways, yeah, that's about it. If you guys want to see later, if you know BTC or LTC, you know, Bitcoin and Litecoin mining, I have a silent miner. And if you wanted surveys, like people forced to do your surveys with your rat, it's like a survey virus where they're forced to do it, I also have that. And there's a lot of stuff I actually have for hacking tools, and I want to show you guys, like, experience, and maybe just go through rules of what to look out for when you're downloading stuff, because there's a lot of scary stuff out there. Anyways, as always, I'll see you guys later.